In this video, I'm going to show you how to save Instagram draft reels to your gallery so you just have them on your actual camera roll here. So what we want to do is go to Instagram and you want to hit the plus sign at the top left hand corner. And then at the top left hand corner again, you'll see your drafts here. So go ahead and click drafts. And as you see, I have a couple of drafts here. I want to save one of them to my actual gallery. So go ahead and hit the pencil icon on the far right side. And then what you want to do is go ahead and we'll just pause that real quick. Out of the options at the very bottom, you actually want to scroll and swipe all the way over to the end until you find save and on the far right side. So go ahead and hit save. And then that reel draft has now saved to your gallery. So if we were to come out here and then go to our photos, as you see, the draft has been saved to our actual gallery. But that's it. It's super simple and super easy to save Instagram draft reels to